how to add a pickup location or address or pickup address location on your Amazon shopping. I will show you how to do this right now. Let's do it. First, just open your Amazon shopping like this. And right now, you're gonna see this page or home page. Click on your profile here now. So after that, you just have to go to your account, click see all, and here guys you just have to click on your addresses, click add a new pickup location, and from here you can edit. For example, me, in my country this option is not available for you. If you are living in the United States or a country that is allowed this this you have to add your location here. So that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe.